Good day to my future employer. My name is Rachel Paner. I am 40 years old, single mother. I have one son. He is 15 years old now. I am currently living in the Philippines. Um, I took up Bachelor of Elementary Education in Catanduanes College here in the Philippines. I have worked in Hong Kong for almost 11 years in 5 different families. I started to work in Hong Kong since May 2011 until March 2025. My previous employers, they have 6 family member. One is grandmother, she is 85 years old. Sir is 65 years old. Madam is 58 years old, and their daughter is 35 years old. She is a single mother too. She have twin, one little girl, 3 years old, one 3 years old boy. My main duties is to taking care of the children, sending them to the school, to their activities as well. Also giving them a nutritious food, ironing their clothes, washing their clothes by hand wash or sometimes machine wash. I am playing also with them, the two of them. Sometimes I help madam to tutoring the children if she is not around to their homework. Um, I also giving them vitamins, changing their clothes, helping them to change diaper, and preparing their milk. I also do helping the grandma to massage her body sometimes, and helping her to go to the hospital if she have a checkup. Helping her to give medicine on time, also vitamins. I also go with her to walk around outside the house with the children. Um, my other work inside this family is to cook their food, marketing, cleaning the whole house, um, gardening, car washing, taking care of the dog, uh, giving the dog food, washing the dog, uh, send the dog outside, playing with the dog outside, and then I also know the food that I cook for them is like beef stew, Chinese soup, chicken curry, sweet and sour pork, and steamed fish because they are a Chinese. To my future employer, I am willing to learn more about cooking. I know how to follow the instruction in the cooking book and the YouTube blog for cooking. My relationship to this family goes well because I have done my work properly on time. So as a return, they treated me as a family. I do not smoke. I do not do drinking alcohol. I am a responsible helper, a hard worker, understanding, and very patient to the children. To my future employer, I am looking forward to be a part of your family. Um, Please taking care of yourself and God bless you. Thank you very much po.